globalization. Globalization is the process of increasing interaction, integration, and interdependence among people, companies, and governments across the world. It involves the rapid movement of goods, services, information, technology, and culture across borders, driven by advancement in communication, transportation, and trade. Globalization connects economies and societies, making the world more interconnected and influencing how people live, work, and relate to one another globally. Example: globalization is the use of smartphones made by international companies like Apple or Samsung, where parts are manufactured in different countries, assembled in another, and then sold all over the world. Positive impact of globalization. So, globalization creates more job opportunities, boosts economic growth, and allows people to access new technologies, products, and ideas from around the world. So, globalization have a negative impact, like it can lead to the loss of local culture, increase inequality between rich and poor countries, and cause environmental problems due to increased industrial activities.